country people have fun na how una be. Now my wiggy don't show again. Una dey try for us o, man no lie. Una dey watch our video, dey comment, dey share. Una thank you, and dey really thank you. My people talk say if you tell person thank you on top wetin dem do for you, say dem go carry their mind do am again. Plus the jara wey dem go add on top. So I dey tell una thank you because of saying una dey like, dey share and comment. Abeg make una help us share this video for Facebook, WhatsApp and inside Twitter. Make plenty people follow you enjoy our story. Abi no dey enjoy the story? You wan tell me say you no dey enjoy the story? Anyway, like all the people na Casala Central we dey so, and I don carry tori come again. The way wey money dey take loss for this country, country people, if we no do something sharp, we go wake up one morning see say the country e don finish. Kai! If e no be 378 billion naira wey NNPC dey use play 10-10, e go be 1.4 trillion naira subsidy money wey dem dey use do mago. And wetin dey pay me pass, wetin dey pay me be say the money no be small money o. Na so billion, trillion, gazillion, haba now. These people they no dey fear God o. Like fear of God they no just get at all. So our House of Reps don torchlight the matter wey concern NEMA, and my people, the matter e dey smell. The smell no be here, the odor carry everywhere. Anyways, NEMA na the National Emergency Management Agency wey dey help people if bad things like flood, erosion, and even Boko Haram bomb blast happen. Wetin dem talk be say the oga patapata for the agency wey be Engineer Mustapha Yunusa say him hand dey inside the 33 billion naira wey don enter voicemail for inside the agency. Yes, so 33 billion don waka go just like that. No be just the billion wey dey vex me. Na say this money suppose be for our brothers and sisters wey dey suffer on top say Boko boys, Boko Haram, they don turn them to refugee for inside their own country. This money suppose be for our brothers and sisters wey flood bin carry their house and property. This money suppose be for our brothers and sisters wey no get food to chop sake of say katakata don affect their village. E suppose be for our brothers and sisters wey hardship bin force trek go Libya. Country people, e no good o. Una dey use una eye see this thing, e no good. Why people go just choose to wicked like this? Why? You see person wey dey suffer, you come carry pepper dey pour inside their wound. The people wey thief this money so go still enter mosque this Friday o. Even some of them go still enter church sef this Sunday. They no get shame. One shame they don't get for their eye at all. Even the one wey dey preach for church, that's na Oga Vice President Pastor Sibanjo, they talk say him hand follow inside o, sake of say na him be NEMA chamo, and na him bin dey approve the money wey dey bin release, the money wey don enter voicemail, na him dey talk to. So na that time wey Buhari bin dey London, wey Pastor Sibanjo be VP, na that time wey him approve the money o. Him no even tell National Assembly as per the law of the land, and this Pastor Sibanjo na lawyer. Stand for this matter o. Country people, this one na lawyer wey dem talk say dey use him hand break law. Na real wa, nothing wey person no go see for this country. Anyway, now we go still dey alright last. You see me country people, una no be na me I like election well. Anytime wey election don dey reach so na so my belle go just dey dey sweet me because I know say na that time when our leaders and politicians go give us anything wey we want, take of say they wan make we vote them again. Yeah, so our road fit don pasuka so tey even to use leg waka go be trouble, and our leaders dem go comot eye. But make election reach you go see how dem go carry grader come repair the road. See now, una see Port Harcourt people bin dey suffer sake of say they no get good airport, and even though the airport bin don dey ready since, na this election period dem come commissioner make e be like say dem get achievement. Even the minimum wage na as dem still say Labour Congress put dem for neck. They talk say if dem no increase am say they no go vote for dem. Na if dem come catch dem o, no be serious thing, they come gree. Even as they gree so as me sef follow celebrate last week, Labour Congress no gree. They no gree o. They say dem give Baba Buhari 2 weeks, say he must waka go tell National Assembly say him don gree to pay the new money, or dem go still go strike. So And why me I don't know because these people dey harsh. Boko Haram sef and they learn work for labour hand sha. Make we dey watch make we just dey watch dey see how the thing go take end. Una hear say they don carry go award contract for second Niger Bridge. Contract wey the before President Goodluck Jonathan bin don already award. Contract wey dem stop when dem enter office. Election don dey near. Na him dey remember the bridge. You see election e sweet die. So if you want anything from this government, if you know say your road there you no good, you no get water for where you dey live, you no fit sleep well sake of say wahala too much on top of insecurity matter, or you no get hospital where you fit go if you no well, na be your time oh. Yes, na be your time. You fit gather your friends carry placard look we no go gree, and dem go just look your side. Yeah, wetin I want na make Nkwobi vote deep pass as e be. But the people who wan join me make we go protest for Aso Rock Aluta. Yes, so anyway, my people, na the tori wey I bring come with this, so make I run comot from studio the way wey Osho Baba Ajale comrade take run comot Nigeria when DSS bin dey find am. Make I no lie, e be like say Adam say he dey related to Usain Bolt. Yes na, yes. The speed wey him use for me say I never see that kind of speed before. In fact, as DSS bin talk say dem dey find am, say make him come explain APC primaries give dem as APC national chamo wey him be. Na oga comrade use speed carry him fine wife, no be small thing, na so dey run go just like that. Na for inside USA we go see am where him wear fine suit dey enjoy him life. Chai na wa. Osho, baby bit of life for you people. Anyways, e go be like say the matter don be family matter oh. Yeah, because Oshomole don return to Nigeria. Talk say he no go step down for anybody. The one wey shock me now na say Oshomole talk say nothing concern DSS with corruption matter. Say na EFCC work be that. Say make DSS no dey do over sabi. This DSS sha oh. They be danger oh. They be danger to our democracy. And na so they break judges door for night go dey clear tree wey dey market take up say make bread dey change, people no dey do business under the tree, come still carry go block National Assembly. Now see, they don dey pursue APC shamo up and down. This thing e dey confusing and confusion oh, because the Minister of Justice talk say DSS get power to investigate corruption case. So which person mouth now we go believe? APC chairman wey dey run abi na Buhari Minister of Justice wey na him work be that? Make una no fear because me I no dey run go anywhere. If DSS come carry me sha, the hashtag go be the hashtag wey go dey trend na hashtag free wigi. So make una no just fear. Anyways, my country people, next time now we go still bring more tori come meet una well done. Anyways, my country people, we don reach the end for today Kasala Central. So if you don say you no like the way things just dey happen for this country, make you try say yes to democracy.